I got a question from an individual about the install Netbackup. And so here's the question. I'll come down here. Question is, can you please tell me duplicate license key for practice purposes? The thing about Netbackup is, if you've never used Netbackup, it's not Commvault. So maybe I can show you a little bit here. Well, anyway, in the video, I got the license from an individual, but they make it so hard now to get the license, actually, essentially. And so you have to get a sales rep to give you a license, and it's only good for some amount of time. It's just very convoluted. Yeah. And the thing about Netbackup is it's mostly for Linux. So if you could see it here, it's the master server, the media server. That's like the media agent. You have the master server. That's the thing that controls it, essentially. It's almost like the ComServe. So those are the two things, the master server and the media server. The media server is like the media agent in Commvault. And then the master server is like the ComServe in Commvault. That's what it is. Yeah. But yeah, just to answer your question, installing license, it's just hit or miss. Your best bet is to get, if you know somebody who works at Netbackup or Veritas or what is it, Cohesity, I think now they own them, is to ask them, hey, what's the license key for that? And then just hold on to it and keep reinstalling it, because I think it expires after a while. I know Commvault's license expires after a month or something like that, maybe 2 months. So they've really locked it down as well, just a trial version. Thankfully, you can do a lot of stuff with Commvault's license than you can with, let's say, or Netbackup in that regard. Yeah, I wish you the best if you can find a way to get the license from another individual. Unfortunately, I don't have access to that anymore. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next one.